I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it.
Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this 5x5 22-inch wig install from Yolissa Hair. As you can see, they say 22 inches, but it's literally like 24 inches, 26 inches on me. This is a box that it came in, an elastic band, a wig holder and placer thing, wig cap, eyelashes, and a bag. And they also sent me a little cute Christmas greeting card. This is the lace after I've already plucked it and flat ironed it. I meant to record right out of the pack, but I forgot. It had 3 combs in it, but I removed them. And I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera, and I'm going to be plucking it. If y'all do want to see me do a wig where I do it start to finish, like showing my whole bleaching process and detailed plucking, let me know, and then I'll go ahead and get that done for y'all. But after I finish doing the plucking and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on, and then I'll come back to y'all after that.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up.
Okay, so right now I'm cutting off the cap. I did use some Got To Be glue spray to stick the cap down. I normally would braid my hair, but since I had a silk press in, it was just easy for me to smooth my hair back and then put the cap on top. So you don't have to do braids on your hair if your hair doesn't need it. You know what I mean? Sometimes I'll just do 2 braids. As long as your hair is flat and the wig don't look crazy, you good. So I am using some eyeliner to mark out where my glue needs to stay in between. And then I'm using some 70% alcohol. Usually I would use 99%, but I didn't have it. I am using the 9 Define Protection Pro and the 9 Define Goat Glue. I have been using this glue for a little while. I don't believe that the hold lasts longer than any other glue because I was using Erica J before this. I don't believe that the hold lasts longer than Erica J. What I do like though is the removal with the 99% alcohol is much smoother than the removal of the Erica J. I feel like the Erica J balls up this easy, but I did 2 layers. I only showed 1 layer, and then I'm just laying the wig directly on top of where I put that glue. Now with this type of glue, you do have to pretty much let it dry completely, like, so it takes longer than like the Erica J glue or the bow hold or whatever, but I do really like this glue. So I mean, give and take, child. And if you would like to purchase a elastic edge band from me, I will leave that in the description bar below. It definitely melts the lace. It's a lace melter for sure, and you can adjust it in the back as well. So I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor to cut off the excess lace, and once I do that, I'm going to show you how it looks without baby hair. Y'all know me, I don't play like that. I always have baby hair, because if it was my natural hair, I would have baby hair. No baby hair just looks so unnatural to me on myself, just because I never do it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hair.
Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hair. If you notice, I did spray my edges with the Got To Be glue spray, because one thing about this glue is once you press the lace into it, it makes the hair stick to the lace as well, because the glue is so like tacky and strong that it seeps through the lace pretty much. So you have to use some sort of wet product, maybe like a mousse or a holding spray or a spritz, in order to get that hair to move without it making the glue, like, I don't know if y'all ever did this when y'all was a kid, but have glue in y'all hands and then pull them apart and it has those little stringy things. Basically, it does that if you don't put a wet product on it. So, yeah, I went ahead and put that on there, and then I'm curling my baby hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut them. I'm just going to be adjusting it within the next few clips as I see fit until I get them how I want them. Normally, I usually do the little 3 swoops, 1 swoop in the middle and the 2 swoops on the side, but I've been seeing this little trend with the kind of like the widow's peak kind of look with the baby hair on the sides, and I think it's super cute, so I want to try it. I probably will go back to, I do different stuff all the time, so it's no telling what I'm gonna do next time. But I did really like it. It came out super cute, but I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all watch me do what I do. I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing to the other side, but yeah, I'll come back to y'all once I complete the look.
Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know, gotta let her know. Came through the front door, I'll be ready for her. And if it's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words, and that's a lesson that I learned all by myself.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know.
Okay, y'all, so at this point, I was pretty much done with my baby hair. I just was spraying it in place and doing my final finishing touches with the spritz and everything to make sure it's flat. And I used a little bit of oil sheen as well so that the spritz wouldn't get too crunchy. And then I decided to use some Got To Be glue spray to make sure that it didn't come up. And then I put on my lace melter, and this happened. Distraught, to say the least. Okay, guys, so these are the final results. It came out so bomb. It's giving very much scalp. So y'all definitely check out Yolissa. I do love the hair. It was a tad thin, so if you want to add in a couple tracks, that won't be a problem. But it came out so bomb. Check out my new videos, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments or concerns in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah. Oh, I can't let